Sibonelo ngiyacela ungayenzi lento Sibonelo.
Is Uzalo a trash, guys? Ngabe Uzalo lo umbhedo yini na? Is it teaching us how to get away with murder, how to get away with crime? Like, what is going on? Let us meet on the comment section to have some chats laphayana bafethu. I am saying hi to everyone who is watching this. You are welcome on Update TV. So just ensure that you are subscribed on this channel and press the bell and the like button bafethu. So yeah, today we are talking about Uzalo bafethu. We have seen so many people complaining laphana kuma social networks. They are saying Uzalo is a trash, guys, and I think it's true. Like, ayikho into elisifundisa yona ngaphandle kobugebengu kanye ke bafethu nje nomkhuba kuphela. Wow, mawuhloli nabazalo shama hlona ungakaze uwabona. So I just want to know if you agree with this or you disagree bafethu ukuthi Uzalo it is discouraging education and encouraging crime bafethu, njengoba sibona ukuthi ke abantu ababodokotela laphana banele bangena nje ebugebengweni, ababoshwa, abantu ababulalayo ababoshwa. Like, there is no punishment nje etholwa abantu abenza okubi, and people are not happy about that. They are saying it is teaching us how to get away with murder, how to get away with crime, guys. So let us have an open discussion laphana kwi comment section whereby ubeka nje khona umbono wakho. So yeah, I'm out for today. Please subscribe on this channel. Shop.